YouTube, this is Mega Dweezil coming at you from the great Indiana wilderness, and we're in the boat room here. You can see the keel or bottom of the boat, Valperga, that we've built. We issued a challenge some months ago, and I don't know if anybody else is doing it. I don't really care, but the challenge was we're going to make a boat out of cardboard and adhesive and Joe-Comp. And Joe-Comp is a composite that we make. It's Josie's Composite, after my wife, and it's made out of simply taking plastic bags, laying them over cardboard, and then taking a steam iron or other hot object and protecting the plastic with paper, melting the bags together, and you come up with a fiberglass-like material like this, okay, that's made completely out of recyclable materials, and it's waterproof. It's fairly well weatherproof. It will break down in UV light eventually, but the bottom line is we're sitting here, and I've worked on this boat all winter, and now I don't know if I want to use the Joe-Comp on it or not. Simply because, when you're a scrounger, you never know how successful you're going to be. And I was kind of unprepared for the scope of my own success, in that I was given some of this by a junker friend of mine. This is aircraft epoxy. Now, if I simply paint this boat with aircraft epoxy at this point, I pretty much have a plastic boat. I can use it for a lot of things, and it'll be a nice, durable object. In a survival situation, I could use Joe-Comp. So the question is, I'm kind of torn as to which way to go, because I've built on this boat all winter, one paper bag at a time, and now I've kind of come onto this ritzy stuff here, which I'm very tempted to just turn this thing into a real boat, and at the same time, the spirit of the challenge was kind of to make this a dumpster exclusive kind of project. So I don't really, I don't know if anybody's even watching these videos. I don't know if it makes a difference to anybody. But if it does, please weigh in, because we're kind of sitting here going, okay, this could be a really neat boat, like a forever and forever boat, or we can go ahead with the survival challenge. We're trying to, we're just trying to figure out which way to go with that. In the meantime, this is all small potatoes. Our thoughts are, of course, with the people in Japan today. Again, this just goes to show how fast shit really happens. And, if you can imagine watching your, hillbilly Cadillac 4x4 with the bug-out bag in the back float by you, as you're standing there in the clothes that you stand up in, the best laid plans, and you got millions of people without power, millions of people without water, basically, and it's getting cold, So, again, you need to be able to use debris, you need to be able to use this stuff. The thought being that, I'm not sure if I'm going to use it on this particular project. Y'all let me know what you think. Don't worry, YouTube. Indiana's holding.